In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Capital One credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. After you've logged into your account, you'll usually get a pop-up that says, "Activate your card." Tap on that, and the app will walk you through the activation process step by step. If you don't see the prompt right away, you can still activate it manually. Just head over to the Accounts tab, select the credit card you want to activate, and then tap the option that says Activate Card. You might be asked to verify your identity, either through your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. After that, your card is officially activated and ready to use. Well, that's how you activate your Capital One credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.